Hi guys!
So, KitKat ata tawag dito. Hey y'all! So I will be having my grade 9 field trip! So, ang gagawin ko now is preparation. Because tomorrow is our field trip and today is January 20. So, tomorrow is January 21, which is our field trip, and watch me prepare and enjoy our grade field trip. Hey y'all! So, I'm back. So, I'm gonna show you guys my bags, my options sa bag. So, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 options. So, here it is. So, meron tayong Shopkins bag. As you can see, it's cute. It's colorful, but I wouldn't wear it sa papunta sa field trip. I mean, like, yung naalis sa bus because ang laki ng bag na yan. So, ito yung naisip ko rin. Kaso, this is gonna be my out of option. Tapon ko na siya because, ano siya, hindi siya maganda. Like, ang uncomfortable niya buhatin, which is hindi ko carry bubuhat-buhatin. Gusto ko mag-enjoy sa field trip. So, this is gonna be my left. This is gonna be my confused. So, right siya. Okay? Tapos, okay, so sabi ng papa ko, ito ba yung piliin ko para komportable ako since backpack lang siya, I'm just gonna wear it and then carry ko nang tumakbo-takbo. And I was like, you have a point, kasi gagawin ko rin yan. So, I'm gonna put this on my right kasi nga ang ganda nito. So, right. And then, this, ito talaga dapat, gamitin ko tong star backpack ko. Since last field trip namin, I used this bag. So, talagang ginamit ko siya before and napaka-proud ko sa sarili ko na binili ko siya kasi parang talaga akong unique doon because everyone was using the same bag and I was like, ako unique ako this one. Uncomfortable siya gamitin if I'm gonna load a lot. So, sorry, this is only gonna be for grade 8 but left ko. So, now, I'm stuck with these two. So, meron akong dinosaur meron akong ganito. Talagang kapag field trip, dalawa ang bag ko. Nung grade 7, isang bag lang kasi I don't care about my aesthetic. I just care about convenience. But, nung grade 8, nag-start na ako maging aesthetic. So, talaga nagplano ako kung ano yung gagamitin ko for essential things and just for the field trip out of the bus na lalagyan ko. Like, for example, for the inside, ano lahat, water, food, snacks, medicine, ointment, DK kit. Tapos doon naman sa kabila, I just have my comb, fan, phone, money, or food, or snack. Parang, you know, wala masyadong essential. Pero yung talagang need ko, nasa malaking bag. Hindi ko yung gagamitin sa labas ng bus kasi aesthetic ako. So, eto, I was thinking, go ko na to. Pero kung susuotin ko siya, as in like, parang, I'm gonna carry it papunta sa bus, magko-commute pa ako pa uwi, kasi parang syempre mas okay na, diba? Uwi lang naman ako, wala mo lang masyadong dala. Ubusin ko na lahat ng dala ko na pagkain. So, eto, I'm sorry, I just realized na I'm going to go for a tote bag para ma-carry ko tong dinosaur sa likod ko. Kasi pag dalawang backpack, sinong magdadala ng isa? So, eto yung gagamitin ko for my cutesy things. And then, eto, I'm gonna put this on my left then. Because I'm gonna use a tote bag na lang to put all my necessary stuff. Kasi especially talaga yung water na ginagamit ko, super laki nun. As in like, 2 liters yon. So, feeling ko kulang pa yun for me, but ganun kalaki yun. Hindi yan magkakasya dito. So, kailangan ko talaga ng tote bag. Ito yung nahanap ko na lang. Itong binigay ng tita ko na Kuromi tote bag. Since, ito talaga yung pinaka-cutesy na colorful na tote bag ko. Though, hindi ako fan ni Kuromi, but yun yung naisipan ko kasi lahat talaga ng gamit kong tote bag is bland yung color, like dark. So, let's start packing! So, I don't really have a specific list of what I will need for tomorrow. But right now, I'm going to do my technique. It's counting technique where I'm going to count all of what I need para hindi ko makalimutan. Like, example, 3 yung kailangan ko. 1, 2, 3. If may nakalimutan ako sa 3, sabihin may nakalimutan ako. So, let's start. So, first, kailangan ko ng water. Never forget. And then, I need food. snack. So, tomorrow guys, I will show you. Hindi ko pa mapapack ngayon since baka masira siya. But I will just be hoping na back siya dito sa tote bag. Kasi malaki talaga yung water ko. And then the snacks, I'm not sure if it will fit. Pero, you know what? Let's try it out. Hey y'all! So, mag-testing tayo ngayon. So, this is my water bottle. As you can see guys, mas malaki pa siya sa head ko. And then, meron din akong candy. So, I was thinking, mga kalahati na to or less. So, ito yung lalagyan natin. And then, ito yung mga candy ko. I have to bring a lot. Kasi nga, ako lang din yung kakain na to. Tapos, bibigyan ko mga klase ko. Ayan. First baon. Then, magbabaon din ako ng grapes and then orange. Pero tomorrow ko na siya mag-pack kasi baka masira. And then, magpapack din ako ng dalawang chippy. For your information guys, ito yung chippy na babaunin ko. Yes, para sa kasama ko rin. Okay guys, so itatest na natin kung kasya itong mga gamit lahat. Oh my gosh. In fact, hindi pa yun kompleto. May kulang pa dyan. Meron pa talagang space para sa mga foods ko na fruits. So ayan guys, na-check na natin. Sure na tayo sa water, food. Tapos, meron tayong 4 food na dadalihin, which is orange, grapes, candy, and then chippy. Tapos, next naman is chicken cube that contains powder, lippy, babango, everything you need. And then, kailangan ko rin ng handkerchief, towel, pamunas, especially sa likod. So, next is kamay-pie or fan. Tapos, beads, kasi we will make bracelets on the way to Pampanga. May tripod. So, sure na tayo, this is our final needs. So, medyo, I don't know, cutesy tayo for tomorrow. And then, I will be also bringing all my things. So, I was thinking I will wear one of my necklace. So, guys, I forgot to update you, pero I stopped wearing my bracelets. Pero, sa necklace, I think one necklace won't be bad. So, I think ito talaga yung one thing lang na sinusuot ko right now. Yan, for accessory lang. And then, I will also do my signature hair. I will be using these things. So, ito, kung nakita niyo yung, so, I'm using this, and I'm also using this. Ganyan siya. So, ito yung mga susuotin ko tomorrow with my backpack, with my necklace, and with my kuromi. Pero they won't really see this kasi nga, nasa loob lang ng bus.
Hi guys.
So, ayun na, umaga na.
It's currently 3:30 and super aga. Nagising ako ng 3. Tapos sumakot ako. Tapos ayaw ko na super lamig. Grabe. Tapos ayun.
Ang breakfast ko is nuggies. I prefer my nuggets na tostado like that. So, vegan nuggets din to. And, nagpe-prepare na ako ng baon ko. This is a perfect idea because you're the current friend with Jazel. So, yeah. And then, ito yung candy. And then, magbabaon din ako ng strawberry milk, which is hindi ko pa talaga natikman. And nabigyan ko rin yung friend ko si Jazel. Dito yung mga fruits. Ayan, so, KitKat ata tawag dito. Ay, Yak. And grapes, favorite. Pero hindi siya pwede kainin right now because maga pa. Masakit siya ko agad. Nag-ulam din ako ng breakfast ramen, which is favorite ko, which is, ano siya, creamy seafood. So, now, ipaprepare ko na yung water ko.
Record. Masama.
dami niya. Okay, hey y'all. So, kasama ko si Frances, but though hindi ko siya kasama sa section, nandito na ako sa school, and nagpipili na sila. And let's just wait for a few minutes. Hey y'all! So, we're on our way para sa bus. So, siya yung kaduo ko for today. So, lahat ng dala-dala ko is kasama siya. And, yeah! Guys, hello guys! Welcome to my vlog! Hi guys! Hi! Dami ko pa! Ano ba yan? Hi guys! Hi! Guys, ayan na yung bus! Boracay! Here I come! Yes! Oy! Yes! Ang ganda! Hey guys, so we're here. Ang first destination namin is Sandbox. So, magiging maasim na ako agad pagpunta dun sa church. I just really hope payagan ako magdala ng tripod, but mag-get ready na ako. Ang ganda ko lang talaga sa sun, or talagang maganda lang ako sa lahat. Hey y'all! So, nandito na kami. And it was so fun. Okay, so what type of cloud?
Si Sir Marvin talaga yun.
Oh, wala ka pa. Wow, slide! Wow! Ayun na.
Oh,
Us. Diba? Hey y'all! So, nandito kami sa field trip. Grabe, super fun guys!
Kaupo lang.
Yes, we're so exhausted. Alam mo, anytime magkakaroon ako ng friend, it'll never be the same for the two of my friends. Si Bap Bap and her. Parang, hey y'all! So we're done in our first location. Which is Sandbox. So next natin is church.
Museum daw doon.
Bye! Hey y'all! So nasa bus na kami, pinapasok na kami. Makain lang kami ngayon. Hindi pa kami pupunta sa second destination namin, but I'm gonna show you guys. Yes, with the same person. And ngayon kasi, tapos na yung field trip. Yes, and then we end up. And we're trying to find jeep